Mulletsport. Austin's gonna help me throw some H&R lowering springs on this beast, get it ready for Sema, and make sure it's looking good suspension wise. So we'll head over there, get it up on the lift, and get to work. Shouldn't take too long. He and I should be able to, you know, bang it out real quick. So let's get it done. All right, Austin and I just knocked out the rears real quick. It was super fast, but kind of dark. Sorry about that, but yeah, this side's a little better. There we go. You got H&R springs here. This is just their 0.75 lowering kit, so it'll be nice. It'll be a good addition to the car for sure. So now we got to work on the front. The front's knocked out real quick. I'll catch up with you guys in a minute.
Is that the way Volkswagen has you do it in car, or you? Just
I use the remote one, so the handheld one, big one.
Like the big one.
Yeah, with the little clamps on it.
Yeah, that makes a difference.
All right, so on Volkswagen and Audi, you use a spreader tool, which is actually in here right now, to spread the knuckle apart. I know it's kind of dark, sorry, but spread that apart, slide it down, and then unbolt it from the top hats, and drop it out the bottom like that, and it's out. So the GoPro freaked out and sped up the video and cut up the audio. It was super weird in this clip. But anyway, Austin and I were talking about just how the process went. It was great. Awesome always working with him. He's going to be at SEMA 2 with me, which is going to be great. He's going to be in the Hoonigan Burn Yard, melted some tires, so that'll be super cool. It'll just be great to be there together. So huge shout out to Austin and Mulletsport LLC and Mulletsport Racing. Thank you for the help. All right. The car drives so much better. It's awesome just installing springs. I mean, it always baffles my mind that springs help that much, but they do. I mean, it's the S3 suspension's stiff, right? But these just stiffen it up that much more, and just the handling, I mean, it's just way more responsive, especially in dynamic mode, you know, with the stiff shocks and everything. Like, it's awesome. So I'm super stoked.